Need to update your Instagram password. Whether you're improving your account security, responding to suspicious activity, or simply changing an old password, Instagram makes the process quick and straightforward. In this guide, I'll show you how to change your Instagram password in 2026. First, open the Instagram app and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Then tap your profile picture in the bottom corner to open your profile. Next, tap the menu icon in the top corner of your profile page. From there, open Settings and Privacy to access your account options. Scroll until you find the Account Center section. This area contains account management and security settings, including password controls. Inside Account Center, select Password and Security. This is where you'll find options related to your login credentials and account protection. Choose the Change Password option and select the Instagram account you want to update if you manage multiple accounts. Enter your current password, then create a new password. Make sure it's strong and unique by combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoiding reused passwords can significantly improve account security. After entering the new password, confirm the changes and save the update. Instagram may ask you to verify your identity before completing the process. Once your password has been updated, consider enabling two-factor authentication for additional protection. This adds an extra verification step whenever someone tries to access your account, and that's how to change your Instagram password. Keeping your password updated and using strong security settings can help protect your account from unauthorized access. So if it's been a while since your last password change, now is a great time to improve your account security. Thanks for watching.